Hey guys, Brett Estes for Stoops Automotive, and we've got right here a really nice truck. This is the Carbon Pro Edition GMC Sierra. Now, here's what's cool but kind of weird about these trucks, and you can look it up online. A lot of people say, I've spent a lot of money on this truck, and you can't have a hard folding tonneau cover on top. Well, our guys have found out a way to do it. So if you take a look at this right here, pull on this, which releases it, this flips up. If you take a look, this bed is a little bit different than a normal bed because of the way that it's round. So our guys found a way to make it work. Another cool thing, if you take a look right here, you've got a gutter which runs the water out in case there's a rain or something like that. So here's the other cool thing. This lifts up a couple different ways. And when you do that, if you take a look, there's going to be some drainage right there, something they've never had before in the Sierra. So not only is the bed really cool, but now it's functional because you can have a hard folding tonneau cover up top. A lot of other dealerships have not been able to figure out how to do this, but we had a couple of our big brain guys here at Stoops Automotive find a way to make it work. So if you're a dealership that doesn't know how to make something like that happen, send them our way. We'll see if we can't make it right for you. By the way, this truck is absolutely beautiful inside and out. 6.2 liter V8 Carbon Pro Edition GMC Sierra with the functional hard folding tonneau cover.